Hello everyone, welcome to another learning time with Miss Blessing. In today's video, we're going to be learning all about nature sounds. Here, you're going to simply think about all those beautiful natural sounds you've heard somewhere, either at the beach or on the farm, or while you were at the park playing, or even in your home, or at the football field watching a live match. You're going to have a go at listening to some sounds and determining what you think those sounds are or what you think we're making those sounds. Are you ready for this game? Okay, let's get started. You're going to hear the sound and you are going to shout out what you think or where you think that sound is being made. Are you ready to go? Okay, here we go. Pay close attention. I bet you were able to guess them all correctly. Well done if you did. And this is me saying please like, subscribe and share for more videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.